Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our Royal Advantage pre-owned units. It is a 2012 RX 350 Ultra Premium package in the silver finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a one-owner, low-mileage, local Calgary car with a clean accident-free Carproof. Some of the features include front and rear park assist sensors, headlamp washers, keyless entry with the push-to-start ignition, headlamp washer switch, power liftgate, fuel door release, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, driver's seat memory seating, power folding side mirrors, power windows and locks, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, 8-inch multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, a 15-speaker Mark Levinson premium surround sound audio system, center locking differential, heated and ventilated front seats, sunroof, black interior, in great shape, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.